ahead and check out Lala's shop next. And we have got Lala Magasa, Han no, what is it? Lali. I don't know. You got 2 A's and 2 E's. Lali Glow, handmade natural skincare made with organic ingredients. All right, let's check it out. 27 items. We've got lots of we got some body butter, we got some turmeric honey carrot foaming body scrub. Oh my god. I wonder why is it doing that? Etsy lost its mind. It thinks I'm on mobile now for some reason. I don't know why that is. Only with that item. That's so weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Huh. I don't know why. What is I don't know why it pops up like that. That's weird. Never seen that before. There we go. Back to the regular size. Okay. So let's look at one of your products here. We've got a turmeric honey carrot body wash. Okay. So we've got 8 fluid ounces or 16 fluid ounces. Let's zoom in a little bit. Body wash, how to use. Shake the soap first. Ooh, important to know. Lather on your palm and apply to the desired area, or use a sponge or loofah. You know, I don't know why, but I think it's funny. I always read the instructions on like a shampoo. Like I've used shampoo my whole life, right? But not every time, but a lot of times I still like to read the shampoo. I guess it's something to read in the shower. You know, there's not a lot of reading material in the shower, but you can read the shampoo. So we've got the 8 ounce. Here we got the 16 ounce. Really pretty looking product. Very simple to the point. So I wonder how you could make this look a little bit more magical, right? So let's check your keyword, turmeric honey carrot body wash. And that brings up 959 results. So a pretty good keyword because it's got 959, not bad. But I wonder if you could find something a little better. And so possibly just removing one of the keywords here, such as let's just do turmeric body wash, because I know turmeric is a popular thing. So turmeric body wash has 4,475 results. So that's going to be much better for you. And, you know, one of the ways you could even do it is you could do each of them individually. So you could do turmeric body wash, carrot body wash. That gives you 1680. And then we could do honey body wash. Now, what is the other thing? So we can describe this as body wash, body soap. I'm not sure what other ones you could describe it as, but so we could try that. We could try carrot body soap. And then we could also try liquid soap, okay? So that gives you 1,010 results. Carrot body wash was 1680. And let's try carrot body soap, 1,010. Carrot body wash, 1680. And then what was the other one we did? Turmeric body wash, 4,475. And now let's try, I'm going to try turmeric liquid body wash. Let's see what that gets us. 2,491. So a little bit different. So just get creative with the ways you guys can describe things. And sometimes just adding, you know, little words like that. Liquid gives us a slightly different result. We've got 2,491. So we took your first keyword, turmeric honey carrot body wash, 959, and now we got a bunch of other different words. We're like George Washington Carver over here with all these different keywords working out of it. Turmeric body wash, turmeric liquid body wash, carrot body soap, carrot body wash, and now you've got better keywords because they're all bigger than your first one, 959, and that's just because we broke them out and made them a little bit broader, okay? Now, what can we do? This image here, I feel it's too simple. This one I like much better, actually. This one I think is much cuter because you've got a pretty looking shadow, you've got natural sunlight, we've got some green. It looks like you took this on like a park bench or something, but it looks so much prettier. This is a great photo. And whatever you can do to make your photos stand out and pop a little bit more is going to be really, really helpful for you. And I think even like on this one here on the strawberry body wash, try to get your photos like this one where it's on the park bench or something. But if we come out here and look at these other other products here, which ones grab the attention? Actually, there was one a moment ago that I saw that I was like, wow, that is really interesting looking. And if I could find that, I think it was when I searched the whole big long keyword. So I think here we go. This one, just looks so, doesn't it just look like such a strong color? Turmeric sea moss honey brightening scrub. Okay, so this is not the same exact product as yours, but I like the way it's shown off because it just looks rich, right? You know, the liquid coming out of the jar just has a very rich looking color. And I always love plants. Anything green you can pull into it, especially with something like this where you got an orange color or something like that. But I think you could do kind of the same thing. You know, the scrubs always look really nice. Body butters always look really nice. And I think you could do the same kind of thing. You could take your product, your scrub, you know, the liquid right here. Maybe you could pour it into, you could pour it into a little jar, like a little, not jar, maybe you could put it in a jar, a little tiny jar or a little bowl even, and try to show off a little bit more of the actual color. But you could even just take it and pour it and show a picture of it pouring and splashing and doing something like that. But there's, a lot of different ways. But I would try and bring some flowers, try and bring some more green colors. These ones, I like this one a lot. The Glow Restore Kit, that is great. This one, I like that you got these plants in the background, different things like that. It looks really nice. Anytime you've got something like these, the foaming scrubs, one of the, I think the best way to do a picture of a scrub is to just stack it up on the tube, on the jar, and to show it kind of like caked on there. So this is a great photo showing it above and it looks all nice and crunchy looking. This is a good photo where it's like overflowing out the top and it looks really nice. These ones, if you can do, I don't know if you have any before and after where somebody used it and got really good results and it cleared up their skin. But, if you have anything like that, that's a great photo as well. But and then the other one, I see you have a few of the whipped body butter. I don't know if it's a body butter or what exactly it is, but if you have any of those, let's see, like this one, this moon clay, I would recommend show me what does it actually look like. Show it on your face, show it coming out the top. But a clay mask is a really pretty product. Clay mask. And here we go. Show it from the top, showing all the texture and the different things going on with it. That is a really cute and beautiful way to kind of show off your product right there.